France finally are the world champions, FIFA World Cup. I was there in Russia for 2 semi-finals, and the first semi-final where France won, and the second semi-final was Croatia won. And we were all excited, and that particular time I said that when France won, that was the first semi-final, I said that France is going to live the World Cup.
It's only happiness. It's only happiness. We are very proud and very happy to have won this battle and to be world champion again 20 years after a battle that was after 20 years, and we are very proud of that. And celebrate this in India is very special for us, and that's why we are so happy today.
France were always the favorite for the final, so it is expected, but it's a great atmosphere here and I really liked it. The experience is great.